What is up, everybody? Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a modular hub that can be used with Mac, Windows, Android, pretty much anything that uses USB Type-C. Now you can purchase this offline, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. Now, like I said before, this is a modular hub, and when I say that, you can take this apart and use them independently. This is the power supply portion, and this is the hub. You can use them together or you can use them apart. It's totally up to you. It's got a couple different ways that you can use this thing. So if we look around here, we do have a USB Type-C port right here that does supply power. Here is the power port that we have right here for when it's plugged into the wall. We also have a wireless charger on top here that can supply up to 15 watts. We have a 4K enabled HDMI port that can do 30 Hertz. And we also have a USB 3.0 port here and on the opposite sides here. We also have another USB Type-C port right here. We have a micro SD card slot here and a regular SD card slot for reading there too. So this does come with these two portions here. It also comes with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and it also comes with a power cord that plugs into the side here. Now the USB Type-C ports are capable of outputting up to 100 watts. And again, like I said, you can use this either together or apart, and it just makes it that much more compact so you can put it in your book bag or whatever, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Okay, so here is that power adapter that I was telling you about that comes with the unit. So we'll go ahead and plug that into the bottom here. And we also do have the two halves connected. It's also magnetic. It does hold in place with magnets. So we'll just plug this in here. And then we're going to take that USB Type-C cable. We're going to plug one end into the USB at the end there, and then the other is going to go into our device. Okay, so as you can see, the USB-C just connected. It is powering up our device here. As you can see the little cord there, and it is charging. And if you look at the dock there, you can see a little blue LED glow in there. That's to let you know that it is connected as well. So here I have my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'll go ahead and put it on the wireless charger. And I don't know if you can see that, but it is wirelessly charging, as you can see on the bottom there. It's going to take 1 hour and 32 minutes to totally charge. So you can charge up your phone while you're working if you need to. And then we have our USB 3.0 ports. You can plug in some USB flash devices. As you can see, it just powered up here. And then here we have that SD card. Just pop it in on the bottom here. And as you can see, that just showed up there as my drive D. We have a USB in there. So everything's working properly. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect up the HDMI and show you that it can display 4K at 30 Hertz. So all you need to do is plug in your HDMI on the other side here. And there you go. So it is just mirroring what we have on our screen right now, and then I'll show you what the input information shows. As you can see, it is supporting 4K at 30p. Now, like I said before, you don't need to use both halves of this hub if you don't want to, or if you don't have enough room. So what we can do is here, we can detach the bottom portion, which is the power. We'll take out the USB from our computer over here. And all you need to do is plug this USB Type-C into your device. And as you can see, I just have the hub portion plugged directly into my PC, and it displays, and you can also use the ports as well. Now, the only thing is, if you don't plug in a power delivery system into the USB Type-C, it won't charge your device while you're using it. But you can do that. So if you just plug in a power delivery device into the USB Type-C port, we should see this start to charge, and there it goes. So you don't necessarily need the bottom portion. It's just a nice option, so it charges your devices as well. But if you have another power delivery device that will charge this as well, you can use that too. But again, like I said, you don't necessarily need to use this. Another really nice thing about this piece here is it does offer you another USB portion to charge another device if you want to. So you can charge up your computer with this, and then you can also plug in another USB Type-C to plug your charge your phone or whatever, and that you can use whether it's connected to the hub or not. And again, using it this way, it still supports the 4K at 30 Hertz. So another thing about this configuration is the wireless charger still works, but you can't use it when it's in the air like this. This configuration would work a lot better if it was maybe plugged into the side of a laptop on your table or something, but you could still wirelessly charge this way if you needed to. Now the other really cool thing is you can also use just the power end of the device as well. So if you want to charge up your computer or your phone or something like that, you can just use the power end. As you can see, I have the USB Type-C connected to the power adapter, plugged into my computer, and if we just look at the battery down here, just by this. So one person can use this end of the dock, and one person can use the hub side of the dock if you need to. Okay, so now that I've showed you how it works with PC, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works with Android. I have the hub all connected here. I have the power source connected to the hub portion with the USB Type-C connected, and I also have the HDMI. So here I have my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'll go ahead and plug in the USB Type-C in the bottom here. As you can see, it starts to connect everything. It also charges my phone, and then it also turns on DeX. So you can use your phone as a portable computer if you really need to. Now I also have my SD card connected to the hub, and I'll show you how it accesses that through the phone. So we'll go into our files here. And if we scroll down, you can see USB storage. That is the SD card that's plugged in here. So you can use the USB 3.0 ports, the micro SD card slot, or the SD card slot if you need to transfer files. And then if you have DeX, again, you can use your phone as a portable computer. So now if your phone has DeX, you can use it as a portable computer. All you need to do is plug in a mouse and a keyboard into the hub, and then you can use it like a portable computer. Okay, so here I do have my wireless mouse and my keyboard connected right up to my hub. We'll go ahead and go to the internet here. Here we're on Xbox. And there you go, now we're on Google. So there you go. If you really need to use this hub connected to your Android device with DeX, you can just use it as a portable PC if you really need to on the go. Works really well. So this is a pretty cool little versatile hub. I didn't mention it before, but it is made of all plastic. There isn't any metal on here except for the metal pieces inside the USBs and such. But it doesn't feel cheap. It's got some pretty good weight to it, and it is pretty sturdy plastic. It's not, it doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. I do also love the fact that it is modular, and it doesn't come apart very easily. It is stuck on there pretty well. And again, it uses those magnets. But in this configuration, being able to take it apart, it does definitely fit better in your pocket, or purse, book bag. Makes it easier to carry around. Again, like I said, if you don't need the other portion, you can still just use the hub by the USB Type-C cable very easily. But the magnets do hold it together pretty well. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.